Kai's Clan pushing projects out to students. I've logged on to my classroom in Kai's Clan and I'm going to go to the question mark to have a look at the projects I could assign. Click on projects up here and then I've got some options. My projects is where I see projects I've already started, and if I click on save work, that will allow me to save what I've currently got on my workspace. In Kai's projects, I can click on the mat that corresponds with the kit I have, and then I can have a look at the different lessons that are already in the system. If I want to assign this to students or to push it out to students, I need to click on there so that the icon turns green. Note you'll only be able to make one project visible at a time. If I click out, I can see that the project hasn't yet changed. That's because I haven't gone in to have a look at it. So if this is the case and I've forgotten to do that, I just go back into projects and then scroll down to that project I want to assign and click on to one of the different roles. Now when I go to that question mark, I'll see that the project name has changed. And I now see in my projects, I've got that project saved. I'm now in that same classroom as a student, and if I click on projects, I notice that I don't have anything in my projects yet, but when I click on Kai's projects, because my teacher's made that visible, I'll see the one that I can see, and I can see that after my lesson there that I can see as well. The rest are all grey. I can then click on one of those roles, and this will load the project into my workspace. You can see now that it says work aftermath, and I've got the information here that I need to follow in order to follow the lesson. You can see I can access all the different roles in this lesson, and I've got some clues around what my code might look like.